What's your name?
Amyra.
How old you are?
How old are you?
Just 4?
Oh, yeah. You have to do your makeup.
You done?
No. I'm done. No, I have to put lipstick. Stop. Stop. Stop closing it. Now you have to do your lipstick. What lipstick you want? Choose.
Choose?
Yeah, no.
Okay.
Which lipstick you want? So.
Okay.
No, you have to see here. Right here.
This one.
No, that's for girl.
This one.
We don't have it.
Oh, which one?
We have this one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have that. Come on, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we have that.
Mm-hmm.
And this?
Okay.
Don't eat it.
Mm-hmm.
Don't eat my lipstick.
That it?
Don't, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
One more time. Now let's do one more.
You are a makeup artist?
Yeah. What do you want? This one? This one?
Yeah.
Now next one. Who's touching me? You? Put your eyeshadow here. You want to put here or not?
This side?
Yeah. You want to put here?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll check.
Not done. But it's
No,
not.
no.
It's not done.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
We have to do this side.
Mm-hmm.
You want to do this little bit? You want to do a little bit?
Yeah.
You do here?
Yeah.
You do your. I think I need to.
You make my hairstyle also.
Yes. Oh. I do.
Enough?
No, it's not.
Please, fast.
Okay. Now start do your hair.
Okay.
You choose which one you choose. Which one? Choose.
This one.
No.
This one?
Okay,
Okay.
yes. Now, what's next? You want to do? What's next now?
I don't.
I think we have to. Wait. Here's the next. Now, oh, you can find.
No.
It's too small.
Okay, enough.
No, it's not. It's not. Just do your.
You finish the hair?
No, I have to do your picture. Peach, peach.
Oh, you
Now-
take the picture?
Okay. Now how to do here? Now we have to do. Wait. Nail polish? We don't have that. We have. Which one do we want? I think it is gonna work. But which one I do this? Huh? now. It's not done, okay?
Okay.
Mommy, focus on it. You do a little bit or faster?
Yeah, good job.
It's not done yet.
Oh, no.
Yeah. Next is we have to do. Oh wait. I know what to do. We have to do this. You have to put your hand, and you have to do this. Okay? Next is we have.
Okay, thank you.
No, not done. Not done. Don't cut. Put it on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Not done. Oh. You do it yourself?
No.
No? Next is we have to do that. I turn this on.
Yeah.
Wait.
I'll see.
It's not done yet. It's not done? It's not done yet?
Yeah, done.
No. Let's do one.
I'm monkey?
No, you have to do this. Look. Next.
Good? Okay, thank you.
No, it's not done.
How much?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Don't mix. Now, how much? I need $10.
Only $10?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I'll give for money, okay?
Okay.
I'll pay the card, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
You have to verify here.
Oh, okay. There? Okay. Thank you.
Here.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you back again,
It's my
okay?
turn